So today, there you go. Today we're gonna focus on there if you want. Today we're gonna be changing the air filter on a VF750 2002 Magna. Pretty straightforward. Just a few things you got to do. Here, first off, right here is this one little screw. This is a Mustang seat. It's an aftermarket one. Usually there's three of them. There's a bolt. With these, undo your bolt. It's a 12 millimeter, I believe. Take it off, set it out of the way. Next thing's going to be the side panels. You're just going to pop those off just so they don't get scratched up and dinged up and all that fun stuff. Now over here, your gas tank, you're going to want to put that to the shut-off position, and then there's going to be a hose with a clamp on it, and open that up. Another good tidbit is when you're going to do this job, this filter change, make sure that the tank isn't full, because then it'll be as odd as hell trying to lift it up and undo shit, and it's just going to be a pain in the ass. So just a heads up. There you go, dear. So after you've undone that, you're going to undo your tank. That's a 5 mil hex key. So we're going to pop that off. Make sure you got something nice and soft to set it on, because you don't want to be scratching your paint. That sucks. Another thing, my wife's probably going to kill me, but take off your wedding ring, because you don't want to be scratching paint. So once that tank is off, there's a filter compartment that is stuck under there. It's held on by different screws all inside here. First, what you're going to want to do is underneath, this is going to be sitting in there like that. Undo that bracket. If the filter hasn't been changed in a while, it's going to be seized on there. So don't be afraid to use a set of pliers. Crank it just to get it going. It's a number 2 Phillips screwdriver for all of these. Don't baby it when you're taking it out. Push that thing through. Make sure all your screws are undone. And then there'll be little tabs on there. You just got to squeeze those little tabs. And installation is the reverse of taking it apart. So anyways, have patience. I usually don't have patience, but take your time. Make sure you put all your pieces in a little container. Remember where they go. And happy riding. Thanks. Bye.